2025 Shelby 427 Cobra. Hi everyone. Panning shot of the 2025 Shelby 427 Cobra, showcasing its aggressive stance and iconic design. Buckle up for a ride into automotive history. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Shelby 427 Cobra, a modern reinterpretation of a legendary muscle car. The 2025 Cobra pays homage to the original with its timeless silhouette. The long hood houses a beast of an engine, while the short deck gives it that classic muscle car look. Every curve, every line is a testament to its legendary heritage. Under the hood, we find a modern take on a classic, a high-performance V8 engine. This powerhouse delivers breathtaking acceleration and a spine-tingling exhaust note. The Cobra's handling is equally impressive, thanks to its lightweight construction and advanced suspension. Inside, the Cobra offers a blend of modern comfort and classic style. Leather-appointed seats provide both support and luxury. The instrument panel is a throwback to the golden age of muscle cars, with large gauges and a simple layout. And let's not forget those iconic side pipes, a signature feature of the Cobra. Comparison shots of the Cobra with other modern sports cars. Sets the Cobra apart from other modern sports cars is its raw, unfiltered driving experience. It's a machine that demands respect and rewards the driver with pure, unadulterated performance. The 2025 Shelby 427 Cobra is more than just a car, it's a piece of automotive history. The 2025 Shelby 427 Cobra is a testament to the enduring appeal of classic muscle cars. It's a vehicle that combines timeless design, incredible performance, and a truly unique driving experience. If you're looking for a car that turns heads and thrills the soul, the Cobra is your answer. Share, like, and subscribe the video.